a bee inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Why are you like about to cry?
We are getting ready to go camping and we're not even close to being ready at all. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I peed 3 times within 20 minutes, so hopefully I'll last at least an hour in the car without stopping. That was the most stressful camping, packing, preparation situation, and most of it is because I can't really help. I'm like a little bit pregnant and I can't like lift things. Why do I look so red? I'm just hot. It's like 91 degrees. Got my drink and my two-step, it's on.
Baby, shine through and come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places. And the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole.
We're finally here! We just got to Mammoth and we're so happy. I only cried 1 time on the ride and we just arrived to pick up some dinner because we're not going to be cooking as much as we normally do for camping. We're going to be going out, and Mammoth has so many good vegan options. We're going to Noodly. Friends, it's that time of the pregnancy, I guess, when feet swell, and this is what's happening with my shoes. Eric, help.
They're big. We're going to the end of the rainbow, guys.
Oh, Eric's actually contributing to the vlog. We're here! Thank the good Lord.
What do we got here? Oh, this is from the...
Have you been to Noodly?
Noodly.
No.
You got way more broth than me.
I did, that's true. These are slippery chopsticks.
Mm-hmm.
They just slip right off.
Oh.
I have never done this while camping, but it is, I'm just like committed to my pregnant smoothie. So I'm making a smoothie while camping. This is not normally me. I'm not normally this bougie where I need electricity for breakfast, but I brought my Vitamix up here, and I know you've seen me make a smoothie 1,000 times at home, but let's do the same thing but in the mountains. So I got a big handful of spinach. This is great to get lots of greens. Some dogs are coming. I might need to say hi. Hi, puppies. Oh boy, okay, these are ready to go. Some hemp seeds. So committed to my smoothie. Please make me feel better for doing this while camping. I feel way needy about it and embarrassed. Like embarrassed that I'm gonna blend at a campsite. It's okay, own it, Hannah. Be different. Right, ready? Okay.
Bonsai. Oh, it feels great coming out.
And get it down in your trunk in case I get shortness of breath.
Going to that place.
Rock Creek.
Where do you think you want to go?
I don't know. It's up to you guys. We wanted to see sort of what you wanted to do.
Don't be mad.
I said.
So we're all freaking out because something is happening with the sky that is just spectacular. It's really hard to capture, but it looks like tie-dye, and then we had a rainbow. Trying to capture it.
Orange over here, purple over there.
Ah, so gorgeous. Aren't you guys just so happy to be here right now?
It's a video. It's all vlogging time.
Hold on.
Haha.
Ah!
Hey.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
It's recording? Is it recording?
Oh wait, you were, okay, no, I was like squatting.
Let's do it again.
Hold on. Wait, you tippy toes and I this. Say hi, Wiley. I love your flower. Okay, so we are taking all my friends on my most favorite hike ever. Okay, maybe I shouldn't do this crossing a water source. How is Hannah in her 3rd trimester doing hiking? Well, I'm doing all right. We went on a hike yesterday and I felt really good for the most part, but I brought my stinking roller for the sciatica pain because I'm making it work, and I'm so glad you're here. Kesley's like appreciating Rock Creek.
Look at this up front though.
This is the most epic views all around, and a little monkey.
Yes, my little monkey baby.
Wiley's just getting cuter and cuter, man. Yeah. How do you even get anything done? This is what happens. You have a good friend who stops with you, goes slow with you, and just roll out the booty. Do I look cool or don't?
Wait, is it on? No, it is on.
Primo footage right here. That's right. Now I can continue. We are just chilling by the lake, and we're barely we're like half a mile in.
Seriously, but look at that.
I mean, can you even beat this? It's a different kind of day for us. It's a different kind of trip. Boop boop. You guys, I've done this hike so many times and I'm still just blown away.
I know, this is just perfect. The hills
are alive. Kesley, what happened?
Well, I was carrying my 50-pound 4-year-old and I rolled my ankle. First time. Oh my gosh, look at my ankle. It is huge though.
Oh, you're gonna come?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, duh. That makes sense.
Let's go. Where's my bra? Artie, and a bear tried to get into his bus yesterday when we were gone, and then again last night while he was sleeping. There are way too many bears right now. The poor bears. I like being in this rooftop tent. I feel really safe from the bears. But we had bears, you know, roaming around us. We have bears roaming around us every single night. The bears are getting outrageous. In the broad daylight, they're roaming around, just trying to get food. It's become a real problem, honestly.
He did go in.
I got some of that.
Did it freak you out, Artie?
I felt violated.
It's like when you're robbed. You're like, how could someone do that to me? As you guys probably know by now, Mammoth is one of our favorite places in the world, and so I always bring my camera along to capture it. And I'm making a second Mammoth vlog coming very soon. I hope these nature vlogs inspire you to get outdoors and enjoy what this beautiful earth has to offer. I am endlessly in awe. But before I let you go, I just want to say thank you to our bi-monthly sponsor of this channel, my very favorite website design platform, Squarespace. Squarespace makes it ridiculously simple for anyone to create a beautiful website with their award-winning templates. I mean, really, you know how tech challenged I am. I can't even keep the lens of my camera clean, and I have managed to create multiple sites using Squarespace. I love their customer service. I love their storefront options. User-friendly is the operative word here. So whether you are a small business owner, a content creator, an artist, or just a young professional trying to get your CV out into the world, go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely for a
free trial and 10% off your first purchase.